Hey there, PowerPoint enthusiasts. Welcome back to our tutorial series, where we make complex features simple and fun. Today, we're tackling how to merge shapes in PowerPoint 2025. This feature is a game changer for creating custom designs, logos, or even infographics without needing advanced graphic software. Whether you're a student sprucing up a presentation or a professional designing slides, this will level up your skills. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Microsoft PowerPoint 2025 and head to the slide where you want to work. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Shapes. Choose the shapes you want to merge, maybe a circle and a square for starters. Once inserted, select both shapes by holding down the Shift key and clicking on them. Now, with your shapes selected, navigate to the Shape Format tab that appears on the ribbon. Look for the Merge Shapes button in the Insert Shapes group. It's usually a drop-down menu. Click on it, and you'll see several options. Union, which combines shapes into one. Combine, which subtracts overlapping areas. Fragment, which breaks them into pieces. Intersect, which keeps only the overlapping part. And Subtract, which removes one shape from another. Pick the one that fits your design needs and watch the magic happen. For example, if you're merging a star and a rectangle, Union might create a unique badge. Don't forget to experiment. PowerPoint allows you to undo if things don't turn out as planned. One tip: make sure your shapes overlap partially for the best results. Otherwise, some options won't work as expected. There you have it. Merging shapes in PowerPoint 2025 is straightforward and incredibly versatile. Practice this on your next project, and you'll be amazed at what you can create. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your creations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.